Alright guys, today we're talking about advanced mana pool. So this is going to be adding a mana pool just like in Diablo. So what we have here is a cycle, and he's already got the ability to shoot apples. Costs him 25 mana, but then when he uses all of his mana, he can no longer shoot apples. So let's read the instructions. The instructions say adding a mana pool adding a Diablo-like mana pool to Kodu. You have a cycle that is able to shoot apples. Each apple shot costs 25 mana. Give your cycle the ability to regenerate his mana over time. Try 5 mana per half second. Don't allow him to get more than 100 mana. Alright? So when we start the game, we shoot apples and it costs us 25 mana, but he runs out and he's not able to shoot more. So what we have to do is we have to add regeneration to this guy's mana pool. So let's take a look right here. This is the tree. I'm just going to show you what it does. The first thing the tree does is it sets the score of blue to 100, and that's our mana. That score is only set one time, so that's why this tree's here. He just does that for us, and he doesn't do it again. So we can either add mana regeneration to the tree, or we can add it to our cycle. I'm going to add it to our cycle. If we look at this, we have WASD to move. We have when the score of blue is greater than or equal to 25, it can do something. What can it do? If you right click, it will launch an apple low and strong one time, and then it will subtract 25 blue points, which the blue points are our mana. So if we don't have enough mana, it won't shoot anymore. So now we want to do let's go down to line 5. We'll go to when score of blue is below, let's do 100, because his maximum is 100. So when the score of blue is below 100, we want to do something. We want to, let's tab over another line. Let's do a timer. And what did it say? Every half second. So that's 0.25 and 0.25, because that equals half a second. So every half second we want to add game, add blue, and then we're going to add 5 mana and one time. Okay, so when the score of blue is below 100, add 5 mana points. Okay, that sounds good. Now, this is going to cause a problem. I think this can cause a problem to where it could make it where we get more than 100 mana. So let's go over to the tree and we will add one more thing. When the score of blue is above 100, do set score of blue to 100 once. So all this does is it puts a limit on how much mana the person can have. So it's kind of like two different safeguards. This one won't let the mana go over 100. If it goes over 100, it will set it back to 100. And then this one says it will only give points if it's below 100. I guess I could have done 95, but that would have prevented us from getting above 100. But every half second it's going to add 5 points. So let's push play. We have 100 mana, and if I shoot an apple, we can see it gave us 5 mana, but it didn't keep on giving us mana. Let's see what caused that. Let's take this once off of here and see what it does. There we go. Alright, so every time we shoot an apple, it's going to take 25 mana, and then it's going to regenerate our mana back. So then I can shoot these apples, and then whenever my mana gets high enough again, I can shoot another apple, and then I can shoot another apple, and then I can shoot another apple. But if I don't have enough mana, I won't be able to shoot. So I have to wait for my mana to regenerate. So let's look at this one more time so you can see what I did wrong. If you leave the once here, it will only do it one time, so you want to leave the once off of there. And that's it. Alright. Thanks, guys.